You've tuned into The Mountain Gardener with your host, Ken Lain. Gardening, it can be challenging, but with these simple insider tips, you'll reap huge rewards. Now, let's tune into today's Mountain Gardener with Ken and Lisa. So, as I mentioned earlier in the show, we're closed as we're between Christmas and New Year's, getting the team off. I think that's a perk I can do as a business owner and make it a better place to work for my team. And so I think more employers, we need to do that more, take care of our people. It's kind of nice not to have any pressure, not to think, just to wake up when you want, just not have to rethink the next day before you hit the sack. So kind of relaxing. It really helps you recharge. Next spring, it's already starting here at Waters Garden Center. I mean, you always have to think ahead as a retail. You're always thinking a season ahead. Well, spring, this is our season, and it starts with garden classes. And I had a couple classes here. Let's see. It's Happy Homebound Houseplants. I think something like that. Take a look at watersgardencenter.com. We've got them all listed there through the entire spring season. So fruit trees, how to water, gardening for newcomers, they're all right there. So every Saturday at 9:30, we'll have them in the greenhouse. No matter the weather, we can control the temperature, the light, the wind. We've got a greenhouse. That's what greenhouses are for. They're there to make guests comfortable. And part of the guests are our plants and you. So it's kind of fun. The new pottery for 2026. This is the time. So when we open back up, this is the time when you want to get your big sets. So if you want matching pairs on either side, you want to grab those early because they go, and you've got to order these by the semi-load. I mean, by entire container. And so you're ordering hundreds and hundreds of pots all at once. I mean, houseplant size, that's pretty easy. We can get more of those, but great big resort size or $1 million home size containers. You just want to grab those. Don't wait until spring when they've been picked over some, because it won't be until probably June, midsummer, late spring, early summer before you can restock. And they only get restocked twice a year. So just kind of, so you know the sequence of how spring hits. Same with fountains. So you look at all these, we've got many fountains, benches, statues, bird baths. Those don't get, they're so big, so bulky that you got to order by semi-load. And so we've had an entire truckload of concrete type materials, not the cheesy plastics that fade, that break. The javelina are going to jump up on it and break it. The dog's going to try to drink out of your bird bath and dump the top. These are heavy, substantial, real garden art pieces. Those you want to have first choices on. And so there's some sequence. So grab those ahead of time so you've got the first kind of pick at everything. But it's starting. We'll start shipping the plants. Well, we're shipping directly from the farm now. Take a look at that. It says online exclusive at watersgardencenter.com. You can see what's in the store and you can see what's at the farm. You'll see huge numbers like there's 1,000 of them. Well, there are, but they're not just coming to us. They're coming to several places. So take a look at that. But it takes about, 5-7 days, and they're at your door, ready to plant. And yes, you can plant blueberries and blackberries and raspberries and grapes now. Well, may I just wish you and yours, a prosperous new year to you and your gardens. Until next week, I'll be camping out here at Waters Garden Center. As the days get longer and brighter, houseplants can struggle and scorch, but we have the solution.
At Waters, we've organized our houseplants from A to Z for the brightest of sunny locations, many even bloom.
With experts that know plants and how to make them grow.
Shipments of the freshest houseplants in town have just arrived from A to Z and ready for a bright new home.
Waters Garden Center, where people who love bright green houseplants, they love to shop, found in Prescott. For a more fruitful garden, increased success in the landscape that just feels better, then tune in daily to the Mountain Gardener podcast. Subscribe through your favorite podcast streamer or visit watersgardencenter.com. Better yet, visit me directly right here at Waters Garden Center. Thanks for tuning in.